Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, look at this. I just got this. I've been wanting this for so long. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god, and that, Alright, let's just get into it. Okay, sorry, we had to move. This was about to die, so, we have our 8 packs. Look at that. Oh my god. Then we have the beautiful 4 promos. Oh my god. I just showed you guys the spirit link and the code. This is not textured. I'm a little disappointed about this. I'm probably going to give this to my cousin Jake, who loves Lucario. Big fan. Heaven, I'm never going to give these away. But look. Oh my god, look at that. Mega Manetric. I'm going to put these in order of my favorites. So hold on. My favorite will be last. Alright. So my least favorite is probably the Zygarde. I still love it, obviously, because it's a full art. And that's so sick, and it's the most powerful card. We got Lucario. And we got, oh my god, Mega Manetric. It's so beautiful. And then my favorite is the Jolteon. Look at that. Oh my god. Those are sick. Put in the comments which one's your favorite. Mine's obviously that one. Maybe? Alright, we'll start off with Fate's Glide. Don't Fossil to Kabuto. What was that language? Lullaby, Larvitar, Seal, Riolu, Jigglypuff, Reverse Kangaskhan, and Mr. Mime. Never get anything good out of that. Dang, there's a break one in here? Alright. It's another green code. Yippee. Nuzleaf, Braviary. Did I even say that right now? And these cards are all trash. Dino, Silos, not even Anorith. Actually, that's not a bad card. Bastiodon. Alright, next pack. We got Breakthrough. Sorry, not. Oh my god, open. If we get the Secret Rare Red Mewtwo, I'll go crazy. See, I can't even open this. It won't let me. There, it's a white code, but it does not matter. What the heck is that? Ignore that. I had no idea what that was. What is that? That was so loud. Mischievous? That's the wind. Oh my god. Is that like a... Did you hear that wind? That was creepy. Axu? That's not normal wind. That was wind. I'm not... If you heard that... That was scary. I will plain say that was terrifying. Alright, Primal Clash. Hopefully we get something good out of this one. Probably not, because it's... That's the wind? There's no way that's the wind. This is such a cool box. Right on. Nidoqueen. Tentacool. I haven't seen these cards in so long. Oh. Dynamo. Torchic. Staryu. Spinda, and a cool Kyogre. If that was hollow, I'd go crazy. Jeez, we're down to 4 packs. Nice, guys. Alright, let's go. Endure. Did I just say Endure? Dratini, Halucha, Cascoon, Meowth. That's crazy. Look at that. Same card. I cannot believe that's the wind. There's no way that's the wind. Well, I've never had that card before. Next pack is Breakpoint, which is open like a banana. Here you go. Gyarados Spirit Link, maybe we'll get a Gyarados Icy Shining. Frogadier, Staryu, Electabuzz, Ferroseed, Froakie, Corsola. Oh, that's a nice one. Scyther Spirit Link, and a Palkia. I already have it, but I like it. At least it's something. Alright, well, I don't really want anything from Evolutions. And it's a green code anyway, so it's not that nothing special. Actually, I already got a good card today. Hunter, Blaster Sprint Link, Missy's Determination, Diglett, Nidoran, Doduo, That's Cool, Energy, and Raticate. Come on, Mike. Give me something good. Come on, Engine Legends. You can't let me down. That'd be mean if you did. Here you go, guys. Oh, upside down code. Raise the front. Oh. Boop. Where's the cut? That's the wind. Jeez, Gumi, Malamar, Baltoy, Beldum, Golurk, Reverse Vaporeon. Mega Tyranitar. Oh, that's sick. I don't have that. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. That's so cool. Oh my god, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys next time with a Christmas opening. And as you guys know, I post every Friday or Saturday. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Hold on, let's just quickly show these one more time. Oh my god, look at that. Beautifulness. Alright, look at that. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.